aid is moving again. Itaf Kassab says she hasn't seen this much food in a long time, but she adds it's not enough, just the minimum for roughly a week. The World Food Program warns the destruction prevents delivery of aid needed after the agency reported famine in Gaza.
The court considers that Israel is under an obligation to agree to and facilitate relief schemes provided by the United Nations and its entities.
The International Court of Justice ruled Israel must allow aid from one of the largest providers, UNWRA. The country previously banned the UN arm after accusing many employees of working for Hamas. The court also stated Israel hadn't substantiated that claim. The court's rulings aren't binding, and Israel called them shameful.
The key player when it comes to ensuring that aid goes in is the United States.
The American vice president met with Israel's president, the latest U.S. diplomat to visit in a matter of days.
We're here to talk about peace. We're here to talk about how to ensure that the peace agreement that started about a week ago sticks, that we move into phase 2 into phase 3 with success.
Amina Strategy's Marissa Korma says the White House pressure is necessary to overcome the seemingly incompatible promises in the ceasefire deal.
It will be a huge embarrassment for the Trump administration and for President Trump himself if, particularly in this in the beginning of the ceasefire, if things fall apart very quickly.
And while there is hope, there is also new anguish. This man says his cousin's body, held by Israel, was so badly tortured they couldn't identify him.
What I can tell you is that Israel, of course, adheres to all international law when it comes to any actions inside of the Gaza Strip.
Israel received 2 bodies from Hamas and will confirm their hostages. If so, Hamas still holds 13, violating the deal. Korma says sustained peace requires patience, which is hard to do with so little trust. Nathaniel Dove, Global News.